We know derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, same. This only function which has same derivative. And d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Okay, now suppose these all are standard functions. Suppose e power 2x. Okay, this is composite function, e power f of x. That time you should consider this formula only, e power 2x, and then multiply with composite function, derivative of composite function. In this case also, suppose log of 1 plus x square, isn't it? Derivative of log of 1 plus x square. So 1 by this one, this bracket will come, and then derivative again of this composite function. So likewise it will come. So you should remember derivative of this 2x. So you should remember derivative of e power x is e power x, and derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now here this question is given to us. So first of all, let y is equal to e power x divided by sine x. Differentiate with respect to x. Now this is a rational function, isn't it? So we should use quotient rule. So quotient rule is what? Numerator, denominator same, derivative of the numerator, isn't it? Minus numerator same, derivative of the denominator, divide by denominator square. Okay, so now here sine x, this derivative is e power x only. This is e power x, sine x derivative is cos x. All are standard functions. See, sine x, e power x, no need to find derivative of another. Sine square x, denominator will be same. So what we can do, e power x we can take common. So sine x minus cos x divided by sine square x. So this is your final answer. Let y is equal to given function e power sine inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx will be d by dx of e raised to sine inverse x. Now we know e raised to x is standard function. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Now here we have other than x sine inverse functions. So what we will write, derivative will be same, e power same x. So here power is what? Sine inverse x. So e power sine inverse x, and then derivative of this composite function we should multiply. Okay, now in next step, first term will be same. Now while taking derivative of this also, you have to check whether this is a standard function or composite function. Okay, so this is standard only, sine inverse angle is x only. So what is the formula of sine inverse x? That is 1 by under root 1 minus x square. So what we can write as final answer, e raised to sine inverse x divided by under root 1 minus x square. Let y equals to sine of tan inverse e power minus x. Okay, now dy by dx, d by dx of sine tan inverse e power minus x. Now we know derivative of sine x is cos x, isn't it? So this angle is x, so here also x is there. Now we have other than x function, so this will come under composite one. So sine of this bracket will give answer cos of this bracket. Okay, so for the cos of tan inverse e power minus x, then derivative of this function which is other than x, derivative of tan inverse e power minus x. Okay, now next step, this term will remain same. So while taking derivative of this, again you have to check whether it is composite or standard. So we have formula for tan inverse x, isn't it? This x, what is the formula? 1 plus x square. Angle square will come here. Now here we have angle is e power minus x. So 1 by 1 plus angle square means e square, then derivative of this. Okay. Now in next step these two term will come same as it is. So cos of tan inverse e power minus x divided by this, we can write minus 2x, isn't it? 1 plus e power minus 2x. And then while taking derivative of this, again you should check whether it is composite or standard. So we have formula for x only. Here we got minus x. So formula is what? E raised to x derivative will be same. So e raised to minus x derivative will be same. E raised to minus x, but then derivative of minus x. Okay. So final answer, my derivative of minus x is what? Minus 1. So minus e power minus x cos of tan inverse e power minus x divided by 1 plus e power minus 2x. This is your answer. Let y is equal to given function. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx, d by dx of log of cos of e power x. Now here we know d by dx of derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay, whatever log is there, that value in reciprocal. Now here we have cos e power x. So according to this formula it will come like 1 by cos e power x. But since it is composite, so we should take derivative of cos e power x. Okay. Now here we have to check whether this function is standard or not. So we have the formula of cos x, isn't it? But we got cos e raised to x. So what will be the derivative of cos? That is minus sine e power x, isn't it? And then derivative of e power x. So answer will be this, we can write minus tan e power x, isn't it? And derivative of e power x is e power x. So we can write minus e power x tan e power x dy by dx. See, question is e power x plus e power x square plus till e power x power 5. So what we can write here? Let y is equal to e raised to x square. Then next term will be e raised to x cube, e raised to x raised to 4, and a last one will be e raised to x raised to 5. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. Now each expression, each function is in addition, so derivative of each function will come, isn't it? So dy by dx, so d by dx of ax square, ax cube, e power x4, e power x5. So e raised to x will have same derivative. This also will have same derivative. But this function is other than x composite, so d by dx of x square will come. This function will have same derivative, but d by dx of x cube will come. This function also, but d by dx of x power 4, and lastly e power x power 5 d by dx of x power 5. So final answer you will get x square derivative means 2x e power x square, here 3x square e power x cube, here 4x cube e power x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 4 e raised to x raised to 5. Let y is equal to square root of e power root x. Now we know derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x, isn't it? This is standard function. Now here instead of x, this is given. Okay, so by using the formula, first we'll write differentiate with respect to x. if you use the formula, what will come? 1 by 2 root same function will come, isn't it? But since this is instead of x other than x composite one, so we'll take derivative of e power root x. Now in next step it will be same 1 by 2 e power x. While taking derivative of this, again we have to check whether it is composite or standard. So this is composite, isn't it? We have formula for e raised to x. We got here e raised to root x. So answer will be same by using formula, but then from derivative of composite function we should multiply. Now next step, these two will remain same, e power root x 2 times a power root x. But while taking derivative of this is what standard only. So what is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. So final answer we can write e power root x, 2 2s are 4, and this x both are in square root, so we can write 1 square root like this. So dy by dx. Let y is equal to log x. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx will be d by dx of log x. Now we know formula of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So here instead of x, log x is given. So formula will remain same, 1 by log x, and then derivative of this composite function, that is log x. Okay, so what we can write, 1 by log x, and this is standard function, so directly 1 by x. So answer for this will be 1 by x log x. Let y is equal to cos x by log x. Okay, so again if you will see, it is rational function, so we should use quotient rule. So dy by dx will be d by dx of cos x by log x. So what is quotient rule? Denominator same, derivative of numerator minus numerator same, derivative of denominator divide by denominator square. Okay, so see what we will get, log x same, derivative of cos is minus sine, so minus sine x log x minus cos x, derivative of log x is 1 by x, all are standard function. Okay, then log x whole square. We can simplify this we can multiply, so minus sine x log x will come here, cross multiplication, cos x. Now in denominator x will come, so x log x square. So this is dy by dx. Y is equal to, let y is equal to cos of log x plus e power x. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx will be d by dx of cos of log x plus e power x. Now cos x derivative we know it is sin x. Now we got here cos of log x plus e raised to x. So minus sine of log x plus e power x, then derivative of this composite function. Now these two functions are in addition, so one by one we can take derivative. So derivative of log x is 1 by x, derivative of e power x is e power x. So this we can write, or if you want to simplify further, we can cross multiply this. So 1 plus x e power x divided by x.